Hi, this is Jerry from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English from JH Real Estate College, and this video is under the advisory of the Sepak Takraw Master of JH Real Estate College. Introducing to you Mr. Seydang Tandong. Hi sir, have a nice day. Under his course PATHFit 3 Dance and Sports. And in this video, I am one of being tasked by Mr. Seydang Tandong to demonstrate to you all the related things about Sepak Takraw, including Sepak Takraw court, Sepak Takraw ball, Sepak Takraw net, post, including rules and regulation, equipment, so far and so on. So now, let's get started. So Sepak Takraw. So Sepak Takraw means, Sepak means kick, and Takraw means ball. So Sepak Takraw, it was originated in Malaysia on 15th century, and as the time goes by, it is spread throughout the another countries, and one of these is here in the Philippines. And formerly, Sepak Takraw was our national sports here in the Philippines, and then suddenly it was also changed by the another sports called arnis. So Sepak Takraw is just a simple challenging game because you can only use your feet, your knee, or your leg, your breast, and your head in just 3 hits only. And any players can wear any comfortable t-shirt or white t-shirt if necessary, and then shorts, and in shoes, rubber shoes, or it must be a nanyang shoes. And in rules and regulations, Sepak Takraw, like the other sports, they have what we call foul. But here in Sepak Takraw, it is what we call default. Since in Sepak Takraw, since there is no using hands, and if you can use your hands, and you can commit that one as a ball handling fault. And in the court, while you're playing, there is also what we call the service error. This is also a fault. And then, of course, out of the bounds is a fault. And then, if the players can touch the net, the playing net during the game, is also called as touching. This is also another fault. And then, if the players in this side can go on to another side, it's what we call crossing. So those are the simple basic fault. So now we'll go on to the most essential thing in playing Sepak Takraw. Of course, it is the flat surface playing court. So this is the example of the area layout of the Sepak Takraw court. As you can see, it is a rectangular. It's a rectangular, okay? So now we'll talk about each part. This is what we call the baseline, and the another side, it is also the baseline. And then here, it is what we call the boundary line, okay? Another side, boundary line. And as you can see there, the two circles, here and here, both sides, it is what we call the service circle, okay? And then this one, this is what we call the center line, the boundary of both sides. And this one, the half circle, as you can see, it is what we call the quarter circle. Okay, so now we will talk about the measurement and the characteristic each part of this court. Okay, now in this baseline, so baseline to baseline, it is measured as 13.4. Okay, so to get the exact measure of the center line from baseline to center line, it is 13.4 must divided into 2. So 13.4 divided by 2 equals to 6.7. So from center line to baseline, it is equivalent to 6.7. And then boundary line to boundary line, it is equivalent to 6.1. Okay, so now in service circle, so this is the service circle. So the distance of the service circle from the baseline, it is measured as 2.45 meters. Okay, 2.45 meters. So now we will talk about the stroke of each line. Okay, so now in the baseline. So the baseline must the thickness of the baseline, it is 2 inches, and also here the 2 inches, and the boundary line also is 2 inches. And in service circle is different. It is the thickness of this is just 1 inch, and then also the quarter circle rather, sorry, is 1 inch, and also the center line it is 1 inch. And the service circle must painted outside. So the paint of the service circle must outside. So say for example, the color of the court is green and this is colored as white. Same with the quarter circle. So it is colored as white and then the court is green. So the court also must painted through inside, since this is the boundary line. So those are the whole demonstration on the Sepak Takraw court. So now we will proceed to the Sepak Takraw net. So of course we have a net. So obviously we have a post. So first we will talk about the post. So the posts have a different types. It is different from boys and different from girls. So the height of the post that the boy is using is consists of 5 feet for the boys, and in the girls also they are using flat or 5 feet height of the post for the girls. And let's proceed to the net. So in the net also, like the post, it has two different types. It's different from boys and also different from girls. The height of the net of the boys it is 5'2" or 5'2" feet. Okay, and then for the girls, the height of the net that they are using, 4'9" or 4 feet for the girls. So those are the demonstration for the net. So now we'll proceed to the Takraw ball. Okay, this is the Takraw ball. So the Takraw ball, it is the known ball is the rattan. Okay, let us say this is the rattan ball. Okay, so the Takraw ball, it is different from the another's sports ball. So this one as you can see, it is the hole. So this is the hole of the ball, and that hole it is consists of 12 hole in a ball. And what is the reason why there is a hole in the Takraw ball? The reason of it is in order the ball will be handled without air, without the execution of air, where the ball can thrown with the air, so that you can use it conveniently. And then the ball also have two different types. The ball of the girls is different from the ball of the girls. So the boys is the ball is small but heavy. Okay, and then in the girls the ball is big. The ball is big but is opposite with heavy. And that's all about the characteristic of the Sepak Takraw net, Sepak Takraw post, and including Sepak Takraw ball. And that's all about this video, and I hope you learned something about this video and enjoy playing Sepak Takraw. And again, this is Kuring Jari, one of the student of the Sepak Takraw Master of the GS Real Estate College. That's all. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.